Hello, dear viewers, dear colleagues, dear students. My name is Olena Vartanova from Kyiv National University of Technology and Design with my course Public Communication and Public Relations. And today we'll talk about image and fashion as a means of communication. And we'll consider the next questions, the importance of image and fashion as a means of communication, key concepts, image, reputation, and brand, image, more than just appearance, fashion as a communication tool, fashion as a mechanism of social influence and communication, and the synergy of image and fashion. So the importance of image and fashion as a means of communication. In today's fast-paced world, image and fashion have emerged and as powerful tools of communication that often speak louder than words. They play a pivotal role in conveying messages, influencing perceptions, and shaping public opinion. Fashion allows individuals to express themselves creatively and showcase their personality, interests, and values. Fashion trends often reflect broader cultural and social movements, making them a powerful means of cultural expressions and social commentary. Fashion can be a symbol of social status, influence, and aspiration, conveying messages about wealth, taste, and lifestyle. The role of image and fashion as a means of communication is based on the interaction of three concepts: image, reputation, and personal brand. Image is a general perception or impression created about a person, product, company, or organization in the mass mind. It reflects the style, character, values, and the other aspects that make the object recognizable and distinguish it from others. Personal brand is a unique combination of properties that define a person or specialist and make him recognizable and valuable in the labor market or in the public sphere. This includes professional skills, character, values, communication style, and other personal qualities. Reputation is the general evaluation or reputation of a person, company, or organization based on their past behavior, actions, performance, and interactions with others. Reputation can be positive, negative, or neutral, and affects the perception and interaction with these entities in the mass world. Image is more than just appearance. Image and personal style play a very important role in communication and are the basis of personal branding. The role of image in public communication can be exposed in the following aspects. First, impressions, credibility and trust, and person and professional branding. Your image is the first thing people notice about you. It can communicate confidence, professionalism, and even your values and beliefs. A polished and consistent image can enhance your credibility and make you more trustworthy in the eyes of others. And image serves as a key component of personal and professional branding, helping you stand out in a crowded marketplace. The image is a positive result of the long-term joint work of a self-management or general management and staff of the company. The image consists of an external image, clothes and things, facial expressions, postures and gestures, and an internal image that can't be seen but which is felt and greatly affect the perception of a person by others. The ability to build communication correctly, positive personality qualities, the ability to understand people, and the ability to make an impressions. And image is sign characteristic that has both form and content. Image as a multi-faced phenomenon that reflects both in essential and external aspects. We memorize that form itself, which then refers us to the further meaningful characteristic of the image itself. Look at this picture. I think you can recognize the professions of these people. The first is office worker. Next is school teacher. The third is fashion designer. And the fourth is programmist. Fashion as a communication tool. Considering the concept of image and personal brand as a tool of public communication, it's necessary to highlight the role of fashion in this chain. Fashion refers to the prevailing style or trend in clothing, accessories, behavior, or lifestyle that is population and widely accepted as at a particular time and place. It encompasses clothing styles, trends, aesthetics, and cultural expressions that reflect social, economic, and cultural influence. Fashion is a tool of social influence, though which a person broadcasting his inner word to the world, position himself in a professional or competitive environment, transmits non-verbal communication signals, allows you to build a personal brand, style, and improves his image. Fashion as a mechanism of social influence and communication. Image and fashion play a key role in the perception of others. They influence the first impressions we make and can play an important role in establishing our social relationships. Fashion as a mechanism of social influence in public communication exploits the effects of social proof, authority, scarcity, commitment, and consistency. The effect of the acceptance mechanism in image formation as a communication tool is that we tend to agree with those we like or know. The attraction factor is similarity. We tend to favor people who are similar to us in some ways, similar thoughts, style, personal qualities, and lifestyle. Therefore, it's very easy for person we consider similar to offer us something. Attitudes towards association also affects the image. If we have managed to create a positive association, it means that we will want to return to it again and again. The principle of authority is the formation of an image and personal brand is based on centuries old tradition or suggestion to a member of society how to behave. Respect and straightening of authority occurs due to the fact that a certain person possesses status symbols. But often we mistake these symbols for authority. For example, people who want to create a certain impression consciously use status symbols, cars, jewelry, brands, outfits, etc. And inherent in authoritative people to have the desired impact or on the audience. The principle of social proofing is a psychological phenomenon that occurs when some people are unable to determine the best way to behave in a difficult situation. Assuming that those around them are more familiar with the situation, such people consider their behavior to be better. This phenomenon is often used to consciously manipulate the behavior of others. Social proof is an important mode of communication that helps to accurately determine the social status of a stranger. Given time constraints and desires, people often judge others by how others treat them. So the earliest way to evaluate a person is their appearance. If he looks attractive, he is positively perceived in a certain social circle. When we tend to perceive this person positively, they meet him by his clothes, or we will not have a second chance to make a first impression. So image and personal brand work for this principle. So do social network, influencer, and other opinion leaders. Fashion as a source of positive association in communication. Clothes and accessories that are chosen correctly can create positive association in the mind of others. For example, quality clothes and accessories can show you self-confidence, determination, and taste. Considering this aspect, one can understand how important it is to approach the choice of clothing and style responsibility, and they can affect our perception by others and establish key relationships in the various areas of the life. The synergy of image and fashion. Fashion and image in communication are synergetic, which means that they enhance the effect and influence of each other, though visual impact, emotional connection, and adaptation and evaluation. Visual impact. Together, image and fashion create a strong visual impact that it is easily memorable and leaves in a lasting impression. Emotion connection. They have the ability to evoke emotions, create connections, and build relationships with the audience. And adaptability and evaluation, image and fashion are dynamic and constantly evolving, allowing individuals and brands to adapt and stay relevant in changing times. In conclusion, the importance of image and fashion as a means of communication cannot be overstated. They are powerful tools that can help individuals and brands communicate effectively, build relationships, and influence perception in a meaningful way. By understanding and harnessing their power, one can truly make a lasting impact in both personal and professional spheres. So it's all for today. In this slide, you can see the literature in the sphere of forming image and personal brand, and a link for online course Influencing People on Coursera portal. So thank you for your attention. See you. Bye.